is the Wall Street. This is the Wall Street Beat Show, Crypto and Crypto. And if you didn't know, now you know, bitches. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto, don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto, don't flip, yo. Talks about niggas Crypto and Crypto. We got these indicators, don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know, we're making Crypto and Crypto. Hit the like and subscribe, we're going on the run. I get excited when I get excited. Wall Street! Wall Street Pete, Crypto and Crypto. How is everyone doing this morning? Want to talk about the next Bitcoin crypto price, talking about technical analysis, talking about some things here this morning. So please, if you may, right now is the time, just hit that like button, and hopefully we do give you some information that you're going to like. I like this, 1.69K subscribers. What the hell is going on? The secret is out. The secret sauce is out. Thank you so much for your support. This channel is nothing. If I keep doing more videos, and I said that to myself a long time ago, if I'm doing more videos than I am doing in subscribers, I have a problem, and we are starting to bounce up in subscribers. Thank you so much. I can't wait for 1,700. I can't wait for 2K. But more importantly, I'm pretty happy with what we have. I am. I'm very happy. So hit that bell notification. I like about the amount of people we have right now.
Trip over themselves.
Getting to a lot of people here.
Going higher.
Jim Cramer.
Even if their comments.
Jim Cramer's talking about how well the S&P is doing and all this.
This is possibly attractive inflation that may delay the Fed's rate cuts. And what happens? Today, the Dow Jones gained 395 points. The S&P surged 1.23% to a new all-time high.
And all that, he was just going to talk about Bitcoin and bash it. Be honest with you, it's crazy, but they are doing well. We're going to talk about the S&P. We're talking about Dogecoin, how I think 15.9, almost 16 cents is possible. And if you pay attention, we might be getting a little lower than most people have thought. Hugo, nice to see you in the chat. Hugh, nice to have you as well. As you can see, what's going on, though, 1.58 trillion market cap. It's really important to understand what is happening. Well, we're getting a correction. We're getting a fall. We're seeing what's happened. Bitcoin, BNB, every time I see that, BNB, right? Does it seem like it's always at the 310, 311, 300 level? And Solana seems to be getting a little bit of a kickback all of a sudden. But let's get into the charts to talk about it. Before we left you, we were trading just approximately 41,600. We did the last video. I said there were two scenarios. This one with a fake pump, and this one most likely in the green, where I thought that we would just start going down with that M. Well, that's exactly what's happening. Wall Street Pete strikes again. Noticed how none of them said we were going all the way to the moon or up to the top at any point in time. We were talking about the end result going down. Matter of fact, that was the exact words we said. So the trend is to the downside. Looking at the daily chart for Bitcoin. Currently right now coming down. I think the rest of the fall will take us here, and we will spend some time down here. And hopefully February and March, or either one of them, is going to be the time where we get excited. So hopefully not too much more, but I do see the 39.2. And if we start breaking below a little further, you will see that prices will take us a little more than we thought. So now that we got that out of the way, I really want to bring this up to people's attention. We're going to start over, remove indicators, remove drawings. Let's do it all, right? Trading Bitcoin, I'm by myself, and I always say that because I don't like to let people know, hey, we're live. Oh no, all the scare. You're scared. Be worried. Be concerned, right? There's so many people watching. I don't really care. I used to be that person when I was young, and I guess that all changed. So here is the Fibonacci sequence. We're talking about a price level all the way from 25,000. The price of the time frame was September 10th, September 11th. Wow, what a time to talk about. But that is where the price was, currently at 25,000 Bitcoin. Please hit the like and subscribe if you've yet to do so. Talking about some prices where I think we could possibly trade at. Now, I'm not saying we're definitely going here, but these are scenarios that I will be putting some buying signals in, and I will be paying close attention to because I think that this is a big possibility we could find. And I'm not saying it's definitely happening. I did explain that to you, but there's a few areas, and the golden pocket is what I'm going to be paying close attention to more than anything. So golden pocket has us right now, and that's a 50% pullback. There's a lot of people that got into the space since the ETF has been pulled in, so you got to really put that into consideration as well. Next asset is going to be Dogecoin. So please hang tight if you're interested in that shitcoin. But once again, Elon Musk is at it again. So here we go, talking about this fall. Perhaps we do get a buy the dip option here, but you can see the levels, and I do believe that this is the biggest opportunity, the most exciting price that I'll dollar cost in average at first. I do believe in this big time, and I will make this the biggest circle as possible because I want you to understand I'm highlighting this. I'm excited for this. Prime token, let's put it in there. We have to put Prime token. Obviously, we can't do it right this second, but we are putting it on for next time, maybe a short video we do for you. But yeah, this is the crypto channel where we take not people, they're just not anybody, followers and these special traders. They want to know what's going on. What would you do if it was your strategy? Because none of this is financial advice. It's just my strategy. What would I do if I was involved into the cryptocurrency? What asset would I get into? What would I talk about? Bitcoin I'm paying attention to because it thrives and runs through everything. Prime token I doubt is going to go up if Bitcoin is going down. So let's talk about it right now and how I see what's happening here. This is probably what we're going to go through currently right now until we get something. And I believe that we could do something like that. This is a little dramatic. I meant to go higher up to here. But I believe what we could do is see upward W. That's the overall performance. One of these are going to give us that buyback signal. If we do continue to finish a daily candle below the 38.6, then I do believe that 50% pullback is going to come. A lot of people are going to shit their pants at this price, but I don't think we go lower than here. I don't think we go lower than that particular price. Yeah, 36,000. But I think we do get a significant bounce off there. I don't even think we get to the 50. So what pullback would this be? This probably be somewhere in the 40% level. But that's where I think Bitcoin has a range of where we could fall. So that's about pretty much it. So let's get into the Dogecoin error here. And I did not touch this. I don't know if anyone knows that. I've actually had this up here, dollar cost average out resistance. I was talking about a video when we were buying all the way down here at this level of 5.9, talking about 6 cents. I did say that I'll be buying it here at this price. This is old. I didn't touch this. You can go back to the last Dogecoin video. And I said what's happening is there's a falling wedge on Dogecoin. It's going to take a while, but when we do, we'll start breaking out. I said that this would happen. It's a nice falling wedge. It looks pretty good from here. And you can see the top there it hit. Then it came back down. Then top here it hit. This is actually perfect. And you can see what's going on, the volatility on its way up. And what we'll continue to do is get high roller coaster waves until we actually do get there. So 15.9 for Dogecoin, looking at a very big possibility. If you're new to the channel, used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange. We actually worked in New York and Manhattan. So that's why the channel has been created. We love technical analysis. And if you pay attention to what this really turns out to be here, this is kind of exciting for me because, we always talk about this, and this is nothing new here, but beautiful cup and handle. It's a beautiful. What color do you use your cup? Is your cup orange? Do you love Bitcoin? Well, beautiful cup and handle is coming. Now, you can see it didn't get there yet, but look, there it is. Beautiful cup and handle. So it'll probably come all the way back down. You can see how dramatic. Imagine 11.5 cents after 16 cents, and then you would keep getting some rejections, maybe go down, but then that would be the ultimate rejection here. That would be your new one. So that's interesting to watch. It's kind of exciting to see that. I wonder how I did that. But I want you to see how it works. Dogecoin's exciting, Bitcoin's exciting, and I believe a big cup and handle will actually replicate here and come out. And I said that there would be a dollar cost averaging out method here for resistance if you're buying Dogecoin. Way before that happened, you can see what happened. Well, it hit about here, went a little higher than my prediction, but that's okay. We dollar cost average out. We bought at this bottom. What did we do? Well, not trading anything but spot. If we were watching that method and we were listening to what my strategy would do, you would have made 68% almost on your money, and you would have got out because I said that's dollar cost averaging out method. So it maybe dollar cost averaged out even higher at the 10 cents and a half cents. It's probably what I would have done, got out completely. I know I got out at some. I didn't get out all the way. You can't do it. You got to have some type of a hodl account as well, right? We talk about that as well. Have a spot trading account where you like to get in and out. Obviously, leverage trading is the best. But you can't all do something that is so difficult. So then you have a hodl account. You buy it every time Dogecoin is in this 59.6 level. Well, that seems to have worked out for many people. Although it has scared the shit out of you, right? If you watch where we've come from January 2021, this asset used to be somewhere under a cent. So we know where it went. We know how the possibility, how all the way up to this magnitude of 75 cents is pretty exciting for Dogecoin because you can see the percentage back up was 16,000%. We're talking about a 68% getting excited. And, let's really be real here. There are some serious gains to be made in the crypto market going back into the bull run. So as I say, 2026, I think, is the end of the the bull market, or perhaps the flipping to the bear cycle. I think that's what's going to happen. So if you're really wondering when that's over, I think we could top out somewhere around that 150K. Maybe 200K comes in. I don't know, but I don't think it's going to be here on this year. I think we got to do that in 2025, 2026, somewhere around there. And then I did a prediction saying I believe Bitcoin can hit 500,000 in the year of 2030. 2030, that's a while away, 7 years away, 6 years away. I mean, anything's possible. That's a while away here. So we're talking about some things here. A lot of people think it's going to 1 million. I don't even know if that's possible yet right now. Let's get to over 100K. Let's see that stuff happen, right? Seeing is believing first. Most people still think that Bitcoin's fake. And a lot of you think that, money is real as well. So it is what it is. You guys have a fantastic day. I love everyone's support. I appreciate everyone's support, hitting the like and subscribe. You guys have been fantastic. I can't go nowhere without you guys in this journey. So if you want to become a wolf, you want to see some of the raffles that start coming off. Once we hit 5K subscribers, I've been telling you this for a while, big dramatic changes of the channel will start occurring, but we have to get there first. So we're trying hard. We have Prime Token on our mind here. I have it written down, and hopefully we can do we can do a little quick video talking about technical analysis there for you, Hugo. So I hope you enjoy that. Thanks. Appreciate your time and dedication. Keep the faith. And it's great advice to give to everyone and yourself, right? Keeping the faith. Absolutely. But everyone, doesn't believe in Bitcoin. It's the same people who sit there and trade through Cash App, Venmo. It's fake money that you send through, but isn't money fake to begin with? It's something that we use to trade, right? Back in the day, coins. Now it's all of a sudden, there used to be sugar and coffee and animals, right? We used to trade back in 1700s, probably things like that. Hey, you give me your horse and I'll give you a chicken. And, some guy had 10 chickens, some guy only had one horse, and the other guy had 12. It's just how it works, And now today, it's a very greedy, cutthroat world. So if you don't mind, hit the like button. I'm not really succeeding crazy. I just want the algorithm to get through the roof so more subscribers can come in as we proceed. Almost 1,700 subscribers. I remember saying 18 more to get there. Now we're only at 7 or 6 more. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Have a great day. Be careful trading crypto.